In a world where factories still run on paper, where clipboards rule with iron fists, and where data lurks in the shadows, unstructured and afraid, one figure rises from the chaos. A leader emerges, a visionary shaping the future of industrial efficiency. Founder of a powerful digital transformation force, creator of a groundbreaking operations platform, architect of real-time clarity. When operations fall apart, when planning collapses, when OEE reaches dangerously low levels, a response echoes across the plant. Armed with next-generation low-code technology, fueled by world-class manufacturing systems, driven by an unshakable belief that everything can be digitized. Unifying systems once divided, connecting data that resisted for decades, bringing order to operational madness. This year, efficiency gains a champion, downtime meets its match, and factories everywhere will never be the same. Rise of the Digital Factory, coming soon to a production plant near you.